Let us design some unique and interesting floral print dresses using the power of our imagination with Imaginewares on Dall-E 3. To start off, if you haven't already, sign up for an account at Imaginewares.ai to get 20 free generation credits, which you can use to follow along or create your own designs. Next, we search for the item we want to print. In this case, that'll be dress, or to be more specific, women's dress. For the first demo, we'll design an all-over print t-shirt dress. Now we type in the idea for the design as a text prompt. For the first prompt, we go with a digital artwork showcasing a vibrant, abstract floral pattern with bright colors set against a stark white background. Wait for the generation to complete. Once you have the design, hit Next to edit and reposition the image on the canvas. I am now repositioning the image on what will eventually become the front of the dress. You can check the legend at the bottom left of the canvas to verify which part of the dress you are designing. I kind of want the design to flow from the center right towards the bottom and a plain white top part. Next, we save our edits and hit Outpaint if we have any transparent areas as a result of our repositioning. The final step is upscaling the image to print DPI. Since fabric print resolution is much higher than screen print resolution, we'll need to upscale the image. Just hit Next, and Imaginewares.ai Upscaler will upscale the image to the perfect resolution required for print DPI. For the sleeves, I'll use the same print file, but have the design span across the entire breadth of the canvas. Once done, I'll save, outpaint, and upscale to get the fabric print DPI. You'll notice that the defaults are already set for mirroring sides. For example, once you set the left sleeve design, the right sleeve design is automatically set to the same, and you can just hit Next to finalize both the sides. Once you've finalized all sides, hit Next to generate a preview of the final product. Wow, that looks pretty good to me, and there's no other dress like it in the known universe. Add an address, choose a preferred shipping method, and check out to order your own unique custom floral print dress. For our next demo, let's design an all-over print skater dress. We use the same prompt as before. This dress template has a different kind of canvas than the one we saw before and does not have any transparent regions. We can, however, follow the boundaries of the canvas to design and hit the toggle button in the viewer to see the original image. I want to get the entire print on the top, front, and back, so I pretty much leave it as is and just upscale both sides. For the bottom, I'd like to get a belt-like design from the print, so I move the print file down a little bit, just enough for a belt to form, and hit Outpaint. You can also specify like a belt of something in the prompt itself, but I'd like to create a natural belt-like pattern instead of specifically a belt itself, so I leave the prompt as is. That's it. We don't want to print a label, so we just hit preview and checkout. Orders are processed within 10 to 15 days from checkout for most locations, and all base material are sourced from best-in-class vendors. For the final demo, let's go with the all-over print bodycon dress. This time, I asked ChatGPT to generate a Dall-E 3 prompt for me. I asked ChatGPT for a prompt which represents a floral print of bright tropical flowers in a dark background suitable for fabric print. Here's what it came up with. An intricate, vibrant floral print featuring a mix of tropical flowers like hibiscus, birds of paradise, and orchids. The colors are bright and intense, with shades of fuchsia, electric blue, and neon green against a deep black background. The print is shown as a large, seamless pattern, ideal for fabric or wallpaper, with each flower detailed and lifelike. This looks good, maybe not exactly what I am looking for. Let's go ahead, upscale, and generate a preview and see what that looks like. I'm looking for a darker overall ambience. So let's try generating again with the same prompt. Well, this is kind of exactly what I was looking for. Let me just upscale and preview this. Wow, looking good. Let me just go ahead and order it. Lol, I couldn't wear it though, because I am an AI. But you could if you wanted to, and you totally should, or design your own. Thank you for watching. Go to Imaginewares.ai to design everything. Like this video and subscribe for more content like this.